Hello and welcome to our video on the art of time management. Do you ever feel like there's just not enough time in the day to get everything done? If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and like you're always running behind. But the good news is, with a bit of practice and some simple strategies, you can learn to make the most of your time and be more productive every day. In this video, we'll be sharing our top tips for mastering the art of time management, from setting clear goals to taking breaks and making time for self-care. So, if you're ready to take control of your time and be more productive, keep watching. 1. Set clear goals for each day. Before you start your day, take a few minutes to think about what you want to accomplish. Having specific, achievable goals in mind will help you stay focused and on track. 2. Use a to-do list. A to-do list is a great way to keep track of what needs to be done and to prioritize your tasks. Make sure to break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable ones, and don't be afraid to cross items off your list as you complete them. 3. Time block your schedule. Instead of trying to multitask, try focusing on one task at a time. Use a calendar or planner to block off chunks of time for specific tasks, and try to eliminate or minimize distractions during those times. 4. Take breaks. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking breaks can actually help you be more productive. Step away from your work for a few minutes every hour or so to stretch, walk around, or just relax your mind. 5. Learn to say no. It's important to be able to set boundaries and prioritize your time. If you're asked to take on a new task or commitment that you don't have time for, it's okay to say no. 6. Make time for self-care. Taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Make sure to carve out time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, whether that's exercise, meditation, or just spending time with loved ones. 7. Be flexible. Things don't always go as planned, and that's okay. Be willing to adjust your schedule and priorities as needed, and don't be mad if you don't get everything done. We hope these tips have been helpful in getting you started on the path to better time management. Remember, it takes practice and discipline, but with a bit of effort, you can learn to make the most of your time every day. And if you're still feeling overwhelmed, just remember that it's okay to ask for help. Whether it's delegating tasks to others or seeking out a coach or mentor, there are always resources available to help you manage your time more effectively. So take the first step today towards mastering the art of time management. Trust us, your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.